While everyone is talking about the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, their mid-range Galaxy A5X series is also popular in 2024. Yes, we're talking about the upcoming Galaxy A55 5G, the successor to last year's A54. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started. While the tech world buzzes about the latest and greatest from Samsung, the Galaxy A55 is quietly making waves in the mid-range market. Priced at around $450 to $500, it may not steal the spotlight, but brings some noteworthy changes to the table. One of the anticipated design changes is the introduction of the key island on the Galaxy A55, a small bump housing the volume and power buttons. A departure from the usual, this design element might divide opinions. However, the A55 is expected to maintain the IP67 water and dust resistance seen in its predecessor, the A54. Shifting our gaze to the display, the A55 is rumored to sport a slightly larger 6.5-inch screen, possibly with increased brightness compared to the A54's 1000 nits. Gorilla Glass Victus is also in the mix, providing improved protection against the daily grind. Under the hood, the A55 is set to feature the new Exos 1480 chipset, a foreign upgrade from the A54's Exos 1380. While this brings anticipation for enhanced performance, it remains to be seen if it will outshine the competition, potentially rivaling the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. In terms of memory, the A55 offers a slight bump with 8 gigs of RAM, up from the A54's 6 gigs. Camera-wise, it retains the third macro lens, but details on new hardware are scarce. The Exos 1480 might bring improvements, but we'll have to wait for more information. Now let's talk battery. The A54 boasted solid battery life with its 5,000 mAh and energy-efficient Exos 1380. The A55 is rumored to maintain the same battery size as the new Exos 1480, promising potential improvements in power efficiency. Charging speed, however, remains at 25 watts via cable. In summary, the Galaxy A55 offers incremental upgrades over the A54, making it less appealing for those already using the 2023 model. However, features from the Galaxy S24, including artificial intelligence enhancements, could sweeten the deal. The promise of up to 7 years of software updates is a significant advantage that might sway users in its favor. And that wraps up today's video. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy A55? Are you excited about the changes, or do you prefer sticking with the A54? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at 3 Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy A54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy A53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy A52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in 3 captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, Turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530 based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy A54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh cell for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy A55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy A55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.